Hey guys, in today's video I'm doing this gingerbread look, so if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. Alright, so first I'm priming the eyelids with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot, and the palette we're using today is the Profusion Moonstone. I was going in with this like brownish warm tone color on the side called Ignite. I was picking out browns that were like really gingerbread like vibes to me. So I'm putting that in the crease with a fluffy brush and smoking it out a little bit. And then I was going in with this little bit darker shade called Slaps. And I was just like adding some depth into the crease there. I wore some gold glitter, so there was a little bit left over on the brush, my bad. And then I forgot to film the color, but this was called Flex. It's in, like towards the top, and I was just adding just a little bit more depth. And then going back in with the fluffy brush and softening it out. And then this is the Tarte Shape Tape concealer that we're cutting the crease with today. And then I'm setting that concealer with the light shade called Fit, which is kind of like a warm tone. Like the white that I'm putting on the lid afterwards, I wanted it to show up, so I didn't want it to be too light on the crease, but light enough where it would kind of open up. And then this is the NYX white liner. I was trying to do kind of like an icing drizzle sort of vibe, which I ended up leaning in and trying to see and got it a little messed up. But I did like some dots, and then on the crease, like I did the top so that it looked like the icing was kind of like coming down. And then it took forever to dry, but there it is with my makeup done in both sides. And then under the eyes, I was going back in with that Ignite shade just under the eyes. And then I was using the Park Avenue Princess bronzer by Tarte and using that oh my god, my palette just broke. So anyway, I was going in with that bronzer to make it look like blush, and then I was going back in with the palette with like this dark brown shade. I don't even know which one it is, but just like a darker one, because I'm kind of sketching out where I'm going to put some gingerbread cookies in the blush. So I did a heart-shaped, and then I did a classic little gingerbread man, or tried to. Honestly, the little brown, like the sketches turned out better than after I tried to outline them in white. They like, this looks cute. And then I tried to do a little star. Again, I was leaning in way too far because I could not see. So I couldn't get some of the footage for some of this look, but you know, you have like the general gist of it. And I was just using this little lip brush. So then I was outlining with that white NYX liquid liner. And it got super messy because I was trying to do it on camera to where you guys could see. And I used some of the white to make freckles. And then I went in with the ColourPop freckle pen in soft brown. And I went in between. So I had like some white and like brown freckles, because I thought that looked super cute. And I was just honestly going hard with the freckles. I wanted this look to be super cute. And then for highlight, I'm doing the ColourPop Flexitarian, like it's like a champagne nice highlight. And I was putting that everywhere that I normally would put highlight, and a little bit extra on the nose for a super cute look. And I outlined my lips in ColourPop's Grunge lip liner, and then I went in with Jeffree Star Teabag liquid lip for like a nice brown lip color. So I was getting satisfied with that, and then I was like, it's time to do the eyeliner. This is the NYX Epic Ink Liner, and I was just doing my eyeliner like regular. Nothing like too special. But then when the lashes came on, I decided to try this new lash stuff that I haven't used yet. I didn't really get it on footage too well, but here's the Black Moon Cosmetics lashes in Cancer, and then this is the new lash stuff I haven't tried. It's like a lash glue, but it's a pen, so you put it on like eyeliner and then stick your lashes right on top of it. And I see it, like it sticks, man. It was awesome. It's by Eyelure, and they have clear and black, and I used clear today. This is my first time using it. And I was going in with the Jeffree Star mascara because I forgot mascara, and I was just making sure that everything was like looking nice. But yeah, there's everything. I'm super happy with how this came out. I thought it was so cute. Alright, so that's how I did this gingerbread look. What do you guys think? This side definitely turned out so much better than this side. It's fine. Everything's fine. It's still cute. It took forever for the white eyeliner to dry. Kind of feeling it. I feel super cute. So today is day 12 of Vlogmas, so we gotta do the countdown. 13 days till Christmas. Wow. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel for more content. I will see you all tomorrow in day 14. So take care. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.